The costs of digital forms of money are driven by many variables, including media publicity, reception rate, lawful, criminal operations, and market interest. This large number of elements make directing a specialist examination of cryptographic money essential in the present market. Brise is another venture in the cryptographic money world that has acquired ubiquity due to turning into a top player in the industry potential. In this video, you'll learn everything about the forward leap of the year. We'll cover the Bitgert task's subtleties, track down the responses to the most famous inquiries, and notice some Brise cost expectations. What is Bitgert Brise? This year, Bitgert is among the most intriguing digital money projects. Bitgert is based on the Binance blockchain. It promotes itself as a marking stage in the decentralized trade, DEX. In spring 2022, the Brise wallet was coordinated into the Bitgert chain, empowering clients to send, get, purchase, and sell BRC20 tokens. The Brise crypto is the local badge of Bitgert. The token was sent off on July 6, 2021, close by the task's true site. Bitgert sent off its hotly anticipated blockchain in February 2022. The block season of Brise chain, a proof of authority, POA, agreement framework, is 15 seconds. POA blockchains are believed to be entirely adaptable, yet it doesn't decrease analysis over them for being exceptionally concentrated. The Bitgert network was promoted as the first blockchain convention with zero exchange charges. However, it has not completely followed through on its commitments, causing discussions in the crypto space. Since the day of its send-off, there have been numerous DApp discharges on Bitgert convention, from non-fungible token, NFT, commercial centers to decentralized finance, DeFi, conventions. The Bitgert biological system truly extended in the primary year of its presence, and it's supposed to give no indications of pausing and go on with its development henceforward. There are various unanswered inquiries concerning the Bitgert project, for example, who makes up its staff, how dependable its blockchain is, and the way that it utilizes promoting. Bitgert's standing is discolored on the web. As a result of the absence of top-notch first individual data, the task is encircled by a ton of hypotheses and bits of hearsay. Its appearance led to countless bits of hearsay. The crypto local area focused on the dubious closeness of this picture with the consequences of artificial intelligence-based photograph generators. That multitude of conversations prompted the expulsion of the photograph from the authority site. The administration credited this to a craving to safeguard privacy. The problematic promoting techniques utilized by the task group are dubious too. In this way, a few sites were seen participating in the forceful advancement of the coin. They composed a lot of video about Bitgert, referencing the task just in a positive way, as well as putting the youthful undertaking on a standard with currently effective and demonstrated digital currencies like ADA, SPEL, and so on. Bitgert value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Bitgert is $0.0000007, and Brise is by position number 223 in the whole crypto biological system. The course supply of Bitgert is 395,688,215,721,653 Brise, with a market cap of $259,674,409.74. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0.0000008 in its ongoing worth. Bitgert is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. Brise has fallen by practically 12.3% over the most recent 7 days. With worries about the related dangers escalating in the beyond couple of days, we don't figure the coin would be a productive resource temporarily, despite the fact that it could major areas of strength for half. During the last month, the cost of Brise has expanded by 11.72%, adding a gigantic typical measure of $0.0000008 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming it keeps on developing. Bitgert Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Bitgert costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Bitgert will be $0.00000063. The greatest level that the Brise cost can reach is $0.00000073. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.00000066. Brise value gauge for September 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Bitgert toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Brise pace of $0.00000062 in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.00000056 and at $0.00000064, individually. October 2022, Bitgert value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the Brise cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.00000061, while the most extreme could reach $0.00000067 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitgert may be around $0.00000064. Brise value figure for November 2022. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value vacillations of Bitgert in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Brise rate they foresee may be around $0.00000065 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.00000062 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.00000070. December 2022, Bitgert value conjecture. Around mid-year 2022, the Brise cost will be exchanged at $0.00000066 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitgert worth to $0.00000073. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.00000063 in December 2022. Bitgert value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Bitgert in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Bitgert will